Hi everyone, it's Melody here, and we have a Star Wars digital mystery box, and it's available right now. It's a $155 value for only $29.99. This is the only way to get these images for a few months. So if you want them in time for Christmas, you need to get them now, and it's the biggest discount. They will never be in Cricut Access. And once Cricut's license expires for these images, they will not be available. So if you want to make sure you have these forever, you have to purchase them. And this is the best way to get them. This is a digital mystery box. That means there will be nothing shipped to you. As soon as you purchase, you have access to them. Go into Design Space and I will show you how to find them after I show you what's in the box. So first you have Star Wars The Child Holiday. There's 14 of these images and they're awesome. Rolling through the snow. Look at little baby Yoda. Merry Force be with you. Season's greetings. This is my favorite set. I'm not a huge Star Wars fan. I have to be honest. I don't watch their movies. I've tried. I can't stay awake. And look at Yoda in the baby Yoda making a snow angel. Galaxy's greetings. These are really cute. I really like these. So this is just the first one, The Child Holiday. Next, we have Holiday Line Art. Now, there are two images, two of each image, and I will show you the difference of each one because they may look similar, but they're not the same. So let's bring in this Yoda and the other Yoda. Where's he at? You can see the difference. This one has like a thicker line than this one does. So that's the difference, but there's so much more options you can do. Isn't that cute? Look, Stormtrooper sleigh with star death. That's kind of cool. Chewbacca with the Santa hat. Let me bring these into the canvas to show you what they are. One is draw and one is not. But, you know, this is Yoda. He needs to be green, right? Isn't he kind of green? And let's make this one a light green. So this is what it looks like. At first, I thought it just cut out the outline and then it cut out, or, you know, the solid outline, and then it cut out those lines. That's not the case. Look, these are both solid, except for this one. If I close out that one, you just have solid. But if I close out this one, it is cut through. So you could cut these with paper or vinyl, and then this one cuts out the paper and then has the drawing on it. And of course you can change the color of the pen and change the type of pen. You could even use infusible ink pen if you wanted to. Now, if you just wanted this dark green outline and you didn't want the solid area, all you have to do is take this and click slice and then pull these pieces apart, and then you have just this solid or not solid piece, and you could cut this with vinyl or iron-on or whatever you want to do. You could also cut these with vinyl or iron-on, whatever you want to do. Okay, let's look at the other two image sets. Star Wars Wrapped Up to Snow Good. Okay, that is really cute. And I love this guy coming out of the box. And I have to be honest, I have no idea who this guy is. When I click here, it says Jawa. I don't know. He must be new to Star Wars. Merry Force be with you. I like that. I like this one too. Oh, Merry Beep Boop Beep. That is cute. Okay, like I said, I'm not a huge Star Wars fan, but I like some of these a lot. These are awesome. Let's bring some of these in and look at these. These are awesome. So this one is a print and cut. So probably the ones that look more like this are print and cut. This is not a print and cut. This is layered. You can layer vinyl or paper. Very cool. Let's ungroup it just so we see what the different layers are. There they are. Awesome. All right, let's see the next image set. Signatures and sayings. Okay, guys, I'm a little slow. I didn't get that these were the character signatures until I saw Darth Vader, because Darth Vader's really looks like a real signature. And then I'm like, oh, I get it. Like Chewbacca, he couldn't probably write as neat as Darth Vader, right? So that's his signature. I don't know who Wicket is. Han Solo, that's cool signature. And Princess Leia. So that's really cool. You have their signatures. Yoda. I find your lack of faith disturbing. He's probably talking to me. I don't know that I have faith in Star Wars. And I like this one. Aren't you a little short for a stormtrooper? So these are fun. So now you've purchased the mystery box now. It's only going to be available for a few weeks, so make sure you purchase. It won't sell out, but it won't be available forever. So I'm going to take you back. Okay, so you're here on an empty canvas, and you're going to click Images, and then you're going to go up here to choose a category, because right now we're in all images category. We don't want to be in there. We want to be in image sets. If you're on a mobile device, under highlighted categories, you'll see image sets. And then we're going to search Star Wars. It's 2 words. Hit search. Now if you want to search the ones that you own, go to ownership and click purchased. If you have purchased this mystery box, then you do own it. If you come here and you don't find them, then you might need to sign out of Design Space right here and then sign back in. Closing out Design Space and opening doesn't work. You have to sign out and sign back in. And then you'll see the ones you own. These are all the ones I own. So then here is the signatures and sayings, the wrapped up, the child holiday, and holiday line art. And that's how you will find them whenever you need your images. And you just click on it to open it up. Let's bring some of these in. These are so cute. Okay, we got a lot. Okay. Look at these. These are in layers. These are not print and cut. That's what I wanted to check. How are these done? Very cool. If I was doing this one, I would layer this with vinyl. Let's change the background color. I want to make it something that you can see well. There. Very cool. He's like in a snow globe and there's lots of little snow. You'd want to do these with vinyl. This one has all these awesome layers. Looks like all of these would be great done with vinyl. You can make vinyl stickers. Rolling through the snow. And you can use vinyl on cards. You could make this a piece of artwork you put on your wall. Mary Force be with you. You could even put these on a mug or on iron-on on a shirt. All right, guys, if you want these, make sure you use the link in the description below. I do get a small commission for that. Cricut did give me these images so I can show them to you. The code CUTIE does not work on digital image sets, so it does not work on the digital mystery box. This is $29.99. If you have Cricut Access, you will get 10% off. There is no shipping, and you get it instantly. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have an awesome day, and I will see you later.